Recently, the Income Tax Department of India has come up with a new portal on their website. Let's take a look at the new portal and see how you can file your income tax return online. New user registration. Visit the website www.incometax.gov.in for e-filing your IT return. This portal is fully responsive, that is, it can be used to file ITR from any device with internet access. To create a new login ID and password, click on the Register button at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find two tabs to choose from: Taxpayer and Others. Under Taxpayer tab, provide your PAN details. At the top, you can see there are 4 steps in the registration process: Get Started, Fill Details, Verify Details, and Secure your account. To get started, choose Taxpayer and provide the user's PAN and get it validated by the system. Once it is validated successfully, the portal will ask to confirm if you want to register as an individual taxpayer. Click Yes and then click on Continue. It will take you to the next page in the registration form. Fill all the necessary information under Basic Details in this form and click on Continue. Fill all relevant details under Contact Details. Again, click on Continue. As you progress from one step to the next, notice how the completed steps turn green, confirming that you have finished those steps successfully. Next, enter the mobile and email OTPs you receive on the primary mobile number and email ID. Then click on Continue. You have now reached the 3rd step in registration: verifying the details. Cross-check all information on the page to ensure all data has been correctly recorded. If any change is required, there is an edit option on the right side that you can use to modify the information. If the details are all correctly recorded, click on Confirm. This will take you to the 4th and final step in the registration process: secure your account. Fill all the needed details here. Once done, click on Register. You'll see a successfully registered message on the screen. Here, you will also find your e-filling user portal ID. Find the Proceed to Login option below on this screen. You can click on this to go to the login page. Or you can choose to log in later with your registered user ID and password from the login option on the top right corner of the home page. Login process for everyone. Now, let's try to log in from the option on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Login button. This will take you to a page where you need to fill your PAN details or Aadhaar number or user ID. Below this, you will also have the option of logging in through net banking. Choose accordingly. Click on Continue and you will come to the next login page. Tick the box where it asks you to confirm your secure access message. Type your password. In case you have forgotten the password, you can click on Forgot Password below. For now, let's click on Continue. This will take you to the welcome page on the e-filling portal. You can see here what percentage of your profile is complete on the portal and accordingly what services you can opt for at the site. You can choose to update your profile by clicking on the Update Profile option below or click on Skip option below to continue with the ITR process. Let's click on Skip for now and proceed. Steps to file ITR online. Now, you have reached the ITR dashboard. Apart from your personal details, here you'll also find the options like File ITR Now, Tax Deposit, Recent Filed Returns, Pending Actions, Recent Forms Filled and Grievances. Click on the File Now button to proceed. The relevant year for filing will be mentioned above the File Now button. In the next page, select the current A.Y from the Select Assessment Year drop-down. Automatically, the other options below will get disabled. Click on the Continue button below. Next, you have to select the online filing mode to proceed. If you have any saved drafts for ITR, it will show here. Otherwise, you'll have to click on Start New Filing to file a fresh ITR. Select the status applicable to you from the options Individual, HUF, and Others. Then click on Continue. Choose on ITR from the drop-down to proceed. Please read the instructions provided on selecting each form type and choose accordingly. Here, let's choose the ITR 1 form. You can take guidance regarding which ITR form you should choose by clicking on the Proceed button on the left side of the page. Now, click on the button Proceed with ITR 1. On the next page, click on Let's Get Started. This is a page with some checkboxes. It will give you options for the reason of your ITR filing. Select boxes suitably. Click on Continue. You'll see a pop-up where it tells you that the information on your ITR form has been pre-filled by the system according to the information already available with the IT department. This is for people whose employers have already submitted their Form 16 details to the IT department. If you do not have the Form 16, then you will have to manually fill all the details in the next steps in the e-filing process. Close the pop-up. You can see that you have reached the first out of 3 steps in order to successfully file your ITR. These 3 steps are Validate Return, Confirm your return summary, and lastly, Verify and Submit. Under Validate Return, you have to fill all details necessary under the 5 tabs Personal Information, Gross Total Income, Total Deductions, Tax Paid, Total Tax Liability. Below, you will find all these options for validating under the heading Return Summary. Click on the Personal Information tab and fill all necessary data for each subsection under it. Click on the Confirm button below. Now, your first tab, Personal Information, has been completed. Next, click on the Gross Total Income tab and accordingly update all information in it if it is not already pre-filled. In case it is pre-filled, you just have to confirm them. Click Confirm after filling all details in this tab and move on to the next tab. Click on each of the next tabs Total Deduction, Tax Paid, and Total Tax Liability and fill or check all necessary data accordingly. After filling each tab, click on Confirm. Once all these confirmed, you will find 2 options below: Download JSON and Proceed. Download JSON is an offline option, so click on the Proceed button for now. You will immediately be able to see a summary of the inputs in each tab. Click on the Preview Return button below and you'll be taken to the next step in the ITR filing process. Under Preview and Submit your return, fill all relevant details. Once done, click on Proceed for Preview at the bottom of the page. Now you'll be able to see the entire ITR e-filing form before you already filled. You can save it by clicking on the Download button or print it if you want. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Proceed to Validation. In case you have missed filling any detail throughout the whole process, this screen will show you that there have been errors. You can only proceed after selecting each of those errors from below and filling the relevant data under those. Once validation is complete, click on Proceed to Verification. You will find 3 options to choose from in order to complete the verification: E-Verify Now, E-Verify Later, and verify via ITR-V. Choose one as per your wish, select the given options under it accordingly and click on Continue at the end. And just like that, you are done with filing your ITR online. Follow the simple steps and easily file your income tax return online today. Filing the ITR is important in order to maintain financial records or to get a loan. Please note that the new portal is still under construction at the back end and there might be some temporary glitches in the ITR filing process. It is always suggested that you consult an authorized person like a financial advisor or a chartered accountant before filing your IT return in order to avoid mistakes.